In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar links in Hubspot emails using Calget, formerly known as Cal.et, through a straightforward step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're aiming to drive better engagement or simply streamline the booking process for your clients, adding calendar links to your emails can be a real game changer, and today I'll guide you through how you can easily accomplish this using HubSpot. To start, you're going to want to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. This is where you'll access all the tools you need to get started. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Login button. It's usually located at the top right of the homepage. Signing in will take you to your HubSpot home, which is essentially the central hub where you manage all your marketing tasks. With that done, it's time to dive into the marketing section. Simply click on Marketing. You'll find this in the main navigation menu. From here, select Email to venture into the email marketing territory. This is where we'll be making our additions today. Now let's select an email that you want to enhance with a calendar link. Scroll through your list and choose one that would benefit from having booking capabilities directly within it. Once your email is open, look for the More option. Clicking on this reveals additional configurations and possibilities, very useful for tweaking and optimizing your emails. In the drop-down menu, one of the crucial things you'll notice is the option labeled HTML email. Clicking on this will flip you over to a space where you can modify your email's HTML code. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert, we're here to guide you through it. Now, you're going to add some custom HTML to your email. This is the point where you'll integrate the calendar link. Inserting custom HTML lets you include dynamic content and functionalities like a calendar link, transforming a plain email into an interactive experience for your recipients. That's how you can effectively add a calendar link to your HubSpot emails with the help of Calget. It takes a little bit of setup, but the increased engagement and professionalism of your communications are well worth the effort. Remember, being able to schedule a meeting or demonstration directly from an email can significantly boost response rates and streamline your scheduling process. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have below. We're always here to help and love hearing your feedback. Keep exploring the possibilities within HubSpot and enjoy the new streamlined way of coordinating with your clients. See you next time.